So before the video starts, I do want to say a couple of things. If you want to skip past this, I'm gonna have timestamps in the description and on the video, so you can just skip to the haul. I just want to say thank you so much for 200 subscribers now. Last time I made a video, I was only at 100 something, so to have 100 more subscribers since then, it may seem small to some other people, but it's big to me. So I just want to say thank you. I also want to say thank you for, if you came from my TikTok or if you haven't seen my TikTok, I just want to say thank you for all the love and support I've been shown on that TikTok or on any video. Honestly, I'm forever grateful for that, and it just shows me that you can really just, I won't say do anything, but you can really just accomplish stuff when you put your mind to it and just not to give up. So with that being said, from here on out, I'm gonna go even harder for YouTube. That sounds so weird. I have a camera on the way. I should be purchasing it like sometime this week, Thursday, whenever I get paid. Enough of that, let's just get straight into the haul that I have.
Give me a run for the money. There is nobody, no one that run me.
I apologize for the lighting. I'm trying like everything I can to try and make the lighting look somewhat normal. Here's the bag. Pretty big. There's not a lot of stuff in here. There's about like 40 items, something like that. So firstly, I think we have like a mirror. This is a lot smaller than I expected it to be. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. It's cute though. This is what it looks like on the back. And obviously there's a mirror on the front. This is what the handle looks like. It's really cute. The next thing is another non-clothing item. It's actually another mirror. This one I have to assemble. So, I mean, regardless, really easy to assemble and really cute. Oh my gosh, that is like a really cute mirror. So this is what it looks like. You can see my, oh my god, my desk is a mess, ignore that. You can see my little, yeah. Next non-clothing item. I did not know I got this many phone cases. This is like 5 different phone cases that I got. So I think this one's gonna be one of my favorites. Ooh, there's kind of like a smell, like a rubber smell. Oh my god, this one's really cute too. Look at that. Let me tell you, I stand by Shein phone cases. I don't care. I got this spa headband. I got this Hello Kitty one. I forgot his name, but he's so cute. They actually kind of made this really good, like. And then I got this makeup bag, or not makeup bag, more so like a makeup brush bag. I thought it was cute. Next, I got this heart compact mirror. Quality though, like this is like a cushion, but there's that. Really nice mirror. All these mirrors are really good mirrors. So, and then this is my last non-clothing item, these little claw clips. Here they are out of the bag. Look at that. This was like, it gets like Victorian type like painting. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna style these yet, but I'll figure it out. Okay, so the next item I have is this dress. This did the job. Like, I'm trying to get on my TV, doesn't really show it. It has 2 layers, so you don't have to worry about it being too thin or like flashing somebody. Here's the bottom half. It's a nice dress. This is my first time ever ordering a dress off of Shein, so I was like, not bad, not bad, I'm not gonna lie. Next, we got this little t-shirt that says a little bit dramatic. And for reference, I'm 5'11", 5'10", and 144 pounds. So, but yeah, on to the next one. This one is so cute. Here is the next top. So cute. I like the patterns. I like all the orange. I want my TV to now. I like all that. It's tight in the chest area. It's not gonna fall down. You can wear it with or without a sticky bra. real cute, real purr. Next one. Okay, so next, I actually forgot that I got this, but it's just like a regular baby pink t-shirt. Here is the next one. Here's the bottom kind of half. I really like the sun right here. Like, I don't like how it cuts off like that right there. I think that's really tacky. I don't know what else to say about these shirts that I'm putting on besides like cute, and I like them. It gives like astrology and like astronomy vibes. All right, on to the next one. Here's the next one. I just love how I'm getting more pink clothes all of a sudden. Has little lace detailing and a bow. It's kind of crooked. It kind of looks like a pajama shirt, I'm not gonna lie. It's nice material, like I said, but I don't know if I would ever, like, what I would wear this with out, except for like jeans. It goes cute with these jeans right here, but it kind of does remind me of a pajama shirt, so I don't know what occasion I'd wear it to, but it's cute. Now this one, it has like a little like rubber lining at the very top, so it's kind of like a non-slip kind of guard, but I would not feel safe wearing this out the house. I feel like I would slip down. Definitely need a sticky bra with this, but nevertheless, it's cute. I also don't have a lot of green tops, so I think green is very like summerish to me. The earth girl boho aesthetic. Ow! Oh, my back, bro. I just cracked my back so bad. This might be like one of my top 5s, maybe top 7. Okay, I'm a little confused about this top because instead of having a zipper on the back, it has it on the side. So, okay, it looks like I have it on right. At first I thought I had it on wrong because, like, isn't the zipper supposed to go in the back? To no one's surprise, another pink top. I really used to hate wearing pink, but it's definitely not my favorite color. Oh my god, y'all would never believe what my favorite color is because I never wear it. But anyways, I feel like pink just looks a lot better on me now that I know how to do makeup. This is like a little denim material. It feels like the jeans they sell on Shein. Surprisingly, this is so good quality. I was scared for this. I thought it was gonna be like, I wouldn't say like a scam kind of thing, but you know how when you go on Shein and you're trying to order something and it just looks a lot better from the picture, and then when you get it, it's a whole different material, or you didn't expect it to be like this. That's exactly how I envisioned this top coming out, but surprisingly, it looks pretty good. I mean, it was one of the more expensive tops on there, so I expected it to have good quality, but I digress. There's no cup or lining. It's literally just like, it's like if you cut open a jean and you just wrap it around you. That's literally what it feels like. It doesn't feel bad. It's very soft actually. So if you don't have a sticky bra or a strapless bra with this, you're probably gonna be uncomfortable. Not only that, but your top is probably gonna fall down. Cause this is like a small or an extra small. All my tube tops, I always get them a size smaller than what I actually am, just to make sure they'll stay up on me, because I have a serious fear of my tube tops falling, and this one's literally trying to do that right now. I don't know, maybe I have to have it up higher. Maybe that's my problem. But definitely, this is Vegas, babes. That's Vegas. On to the next one. I have this top right here, and this one, it kind of has a really distinct smell to it. It smells like acrylic paint. It really brought me back to like a childhood memory of when I used to paint pumpkins at this daycare for like Halloween. It smells exactly like that. It smells like acrylic paint getting put on a pumpkin. Weird, I know. It's not a bad smell. I mean, at least to me, like, I kind of like the smell. You know how people like the smell of gasoline? That's me. I like this acrylic paint smell. But anyways, enough of that yapping. Here's the top. It's like really frilly right here, I think that's what it's called. There's a bow. This one's not crooked or upside down this time, thank God. It does cup your chest right there. These straps are like pretty much useless because they're too loose in my opinion. Like I don't, ow, damn. They're too loose in my opinion, and yeah, no. But it's cute though, for sure. Okay, enough of that. On to the next one. Actually, I only have 2 items left, I think, and I'm gonna wear them both at the same time, kind of. You'll see. So this top is definitely in my top 5, probably my top 3. It reminds me of like a goldfish or clouds or something like that. I don't know. I just think it's so cute. Like, and it fits perfectly. Like this is a perfectly fit tube top. Like, holy shit. It just made me look 10 times better than I did before I put it on. And the reason why I said that I have 2 last items that kind of go together, I still have on the jeans right now, but I'm finna put on the skirt that I bought, which I thought would kind of go with this shirt, but now that I'm looking at the skirt and this tube top, I realize they don't really go together, but I'm still gonna put them on for the sake of this video. So I'll be right back, but definitely a 10 out of 10. Probably my number 1 item, honestly. This next outfit was kind of like a 2-parter. I thought they would match together good, so that's why I got them, and they kind of do. It's just that this skirt isn't long enough, or as long as I wanted it to be, but we'll see if I still wear it. The quality is really good. It's not thin. It's 2 layers. Yeah, it's 2 layers. It feels like a hotel linen, like a hotel bed sheet. That's what it feels like. A hotel pillowcase. Really soft. I just wish it was a little bit longer. I guess I'm too tall. 5'10" is not enough for Shein. But this top, I love this top. But yeah, that is all the clothes I had. So I will be right back in my normal clothes to wrap up the video. Finally back to like my normal-ish lighting scheme. You see there's a big ass mess on my bed of all the clothes that I just emptied out. But yeah, that was it. This video is probably all over the place because at the very beginning I was really struggling to find a good spot to set my tripod up on and all that, and like what I should do about lighting and all that. So this video is like really messy in that sense, but hopefully it's not too messy to watch. I'm going to try and edit it out as much as possible to make it look like the background is consistent, but it probably won't be. So I apologize for that. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one.
On my knee, college begin, hop off a chick, barely get rich, catch to no more, I get a check, you selling run on my pants and my